guys, what's going on? Hopefully you can hear me. It is your girl Tay. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a video. That's Kalia, I'm looking at her. So I'm outside today. I done missed the sun, but I said let me come outside anyway, just to change the scenery a little bit, record this video. So this video is going to be about if the products work, if TLC products work. Does the tea work? Does the NutriBurst work? Does it all work? And I'm here to tell you, yes, it does work, y'all. If it didn't work, I'd still be 250 pounds. I'm 24 pounds lighter, and I still have more to go, but the products absolutely work, y'all. You know what I mean? In case you don't know what I'm talking about and you're new to this channel, this is the tea that I'm talking about. This is the CBD tea and the regular tea, y'all. And they work, y'all. These are both detox teas. One just tastes like raspberry with no THC, and one is just regular plain straight tea, y'all. The tea work. What the tea will do, guys, it will detox your body. This tea is a detox tea, not a weight loss tea, but by default you will lose weight, guys. So I don't know about y'all, but I would take that side effect any day, guys. So the tea works, y'all. So simply what I did was I drank the tea twice a day, hot or cold, it doesn't matter, but I personally like it hot. I drink it twice a day, put it in my bottle of water, shake it up and drink it, or I will boil some water over the stove, pour it into my teacup, mix the tea in and drink it as well, y'all. And I had lost 6 pounds in 7 days my first week taking it, y'all. After that I was hooked. So for those of you who keep asking me if the tea works, does the products work? Yes, the product works, but you will not know unless you try it for yourself, y'all. This is why I say go ahead and order you some tea and NutriBurst anyway. Because in case, you know, which I highly doubt, in case the product doesn't work for you or you don't like what it does for you, you can get your money back. All you gotta do is call TLC like, hey, blase blase, and they will give you your money back. But honestly, this is the first product that I've ever tried and I had an instant result, like right away, like next day result. So I know that you're gonna get some kind of experience with this product. So I know that you're not gonna wanna, you know, return it. You're gonna want to order more, y'all. So get you some of this detox tea, especially now all this coronavirus and all this stuff going on. Everybody's so scared, buying all the tissue. Like, come on, y'all, this is stuff y'all should have been doing. Y'all should have been keeping your hands clean. Y'all should have been washing your hands. Y'all should have been on your health journey. Y'all should have been taking your vitamins. NutriBurst. And I've been talking about, y'all know how long I've been with TLC. I'm always talking about these products. Y'all should have been got y'all NutriBurst already. See, me and my family, my household, we already NutriBurst up. We keep bottles of NutriBurst in the house and we take it every day. My daughter takes it every day. So we have our servings of our vitamins and minerals, y'all. And this is exactly what they're giving them in China. They said the people who already contracted the virus, they are dosing them up with vitamin C to help build their system up to try to fight it. So if you do not have any disease, any sicknesses, you need to be boosting your immune system up. Get you some vitamin C, get you some multivitamins. And boost your immune system up. We also have another product called Chaga that's also great for boosting your immune system, y'all. So like I always talk about, it's about overall health, guys. Forget the money's gonna come. But in times like this, people get scared because they're talking about shutting down for like a month and stuff like that. People gotta work, people gotta pay bills. So this is why I always encourage you guys to look into building another stream of income. And it's important to have more than one stream of income. Especially you can work from home. You don't got to be touching nobody, riding the trains and buses and stuff like that. This is why I love TLC, y'all. This is why I'm so passionate about talking about TLC, because it really helped me. It helps my life. And it has changed my life and my mindset tremendously, y'all. I'm able to stay home and still make money every single day. Just from being home, just from taking the products, and just from sharing the products with people. Sharing the product with your friends, your mother, your brother, your father, your sister, your cousin. Everybody you know should know about TLC. Or if you're in TLC, everybody should know. Or if you're thinking about joining TLC, everybody should know, because first of all, I know you know somebody who could stand to lose 5 pounds in 5 days. I mean, we all know somebody who's overweight and want to lose weight. We all know somebody who's weak and tired all the time, don't have any energy. We all know somebody who may have health issues. You know what I mean? We all know somebody, whether you close with them or not, you know somebody. So why not get a part of TLC and help them better their health, help them get stronger and better. And at the same time, you get to make you some money by helping other people, y'all. It's the same thing. Y'all saw my last video. I was talking about how we get paid with TLC. we get paid very well. With TLC, we get paid 5 ways. You know what I mean? But the biggest way that is helping a lot of people is getting paid daily, y'all. Retail. Like I always say, you could sell you 5 bottles of NutriBurst today. That is $100 you can get tomorrow, y'all. So what would an extra $100 do for you every week? Extra $50, extra $20, it doesn't matter what it is. It's something that you didn't have to go clocking for. It's extra money you didn't have to go beg your mother, your father, your friends for. You know what I mean? So it's about being independent. It's about being prepared. So during this time, I hope you guys are safe. First of all, I hope you guys are safe. Hope you guys are good. Your families, hope you guys are not sick. You know, I just pray and hope that you guys are doing well. But you want to protect yourself. You want to protect your family, y'all. And joining TLC, I believe, is the best vehicle for you because you get to stay home, make money, spend time with your family. At the same time, get products that actually work into your system. I love NutriBurst. Like I said, I never took a vitamin ever. I tried the little Flintstones, the gummies. I just thought it was really sweet. It didn't do nothing for me. It was just all in my head, waiting to see if it worked, and nothing worked until I got me some NutriBurst, until I got me some NRG, until I got me this detox tea. I'm forever going to talk about this tea because I know what it did for me, y'all, and I know what it could do for you. So if you just stop, take a second, and analyze your situation, y'all, and be like, you know what, I want something different, then send me a DM, text the number down below, and let's talk. Let's talk about your dreams, your goals. I know you all got dreams and goals. Everybody got dreams and goals. I got a lot of dreams and goals that I want to accomplish. I will accomplish. And with TLC, this vehicle is going to help me do that. Why? Because I'm going to be able to generate the money I need to help fund other dreams that I have. You get what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So today is Saturday, y'all. All the TLC top earners are doing a call-a-thon. If you follow me, you know about it. Just simply talking about how the products help them and how it could possibly help you guys. So send me a DM. I'll send you some of the videos. But all in all, just say yes. You know what I mean? Because timing and positioning is everything. You don't want to be the last person to say, you know what, I'm ready, and get started and it be too late. Start now while the momentum is high, while you have a chance at making a lot of money every single week. You're still going to have a chance, but it's going to be higher because a lot of people are joining TLC. A lot of people are becoming customers with TLC. A lot of people want to try these products, y'all, and they could buy it from you. Like I said, once you get started, you'll start to see people falling under you that you don't even know. But they are helping you build your business. We have sorry y'all, I'm outside in the park. We have 2 legs of business, one on the left and one on the right. One side, your team is helping you build. The other side, you have to build by yourself. And it's really just that simple, y'all. Like I said, we get paid 5 ways with this company. You don't need to know all of them right now. Just know that, and once you get started today, invest your $50 today and buy a product, you will see way more than your investment, y'all. You will learn the comp plan and you will maximize that comp plan. Now, I don't want to say, make any income claims or medical claims, but it solely depends on you and your work ethic. How bad do you want it? How bad do you want to lose weight? How bad do you want to get healthy? How bad do you want to maintain your weight or gain weight? A lot of people don't want to lose weight. You know what I mean? And we have something for everybody. So this is why I love TLC, y'all. So it all falls down to how bad do you want it, y'all. And at the end of the day, don't think about it. If you ain't got $500 on the side just for emergencies. You ain't got $1,000 on the side just for emergencies. You're not happy with your job. You're not happy with yourself, your weight, how you look. Then you have nothing to lose, y'all. Your answer should be yes. Give 2020 a new shot at life. This should be the year that you do something different for you instead of keep repeating the same things over and over, expecting new results. You can't get something new if you keep doing the same shit over and over. That's just not going to happen. You know what I mean? And it took me a while to understand that, but now I get it. And I'm taking the steps that I need to take to grow my mind as a person, a woman, a mom, an entrepreneur, so I can be able to help my team grow more, keep growing and growing and building and building. And I want to help you get yourself a team so you can build and grow as a leader as well, y'all. So now is the time. There's nothing to wait for. I don't know what's going on with this coronavirus, but I'm not worried because I know I'm protected by God. And I'm protected because TLC, it's great. And I'm so glad that I said yes, almost a year ago now. Almost a year ago, it's about to be that I've been with TLC. And I'm super happy, y'all. And the thing I love about TLC is, like, you can always start over. There's no right or wrong way to do it. I don't care if you get in this business in your first 30 days, you lose 5 pounds. Celebrate that 5 pounds. That's 5 pounds that you didn't have off before. That's 5 pounds that you lost. You know what I mean? So what if you didn't achieve your 20-pound goal? You lost 5 pounds, you lost 6 pounds. Be proud of that and celebrate that. Celebrate everything, y'all. You know what I mean? Because I know what it's like to be up and down with your weight, up and down with life. Things happen. Things happen, y'all, and I can contest to that. I've been with TLC almost a year now, and I just started to get the gist of things and understand myself and these products and how things work. And I'm super happy I stood the process, and I'm super happy I stood through. You know what I mean? Like I said, I've been up and down, but when I took it serious and stayed focused, your girl lost 24 pounds in like 2 months. You know what I mean? So let your story be heard, guys. Do not be afraid. Do not be scared. A lot of you guys sit behind fear and you wind up being nothing. Years go by and you're wondering why your life ain't how you thought it would be. You know what I mean? Where you typically create the life that you want. So if you want to be happy, create that happiness. If you want to travel the world, create the income to travel the world. You know what I mean? It is possible. It is out there, and I believe it. You know what I mean? So 2020 was an awesome year, awesome start for me, and it is going to end awesome and great and perfect, and I just cannot wait. So I am enjoying this process, y'all. I'm enjoying my journey, and I'm truly grateful and thankful, for where I'm at today. Grateful and thankful for the team that I'm building and them, grateful and thankful for their progress. So I'm just super excited, super happy, and I want to help you. But you gotta want to help yourself, y'all. Don't worry about if you get started on my upline left me or my sponsor left me. So what? This is your business regardless of who you sign up with. You signed up for a reason because you felt like, you know what, I could use some extra money. You know what, I need to lose weight. You know what, I need to get healthy. That's why you joined. So don't depend on your upline to, make you successful. This is your business. You run it how you want. Of course, there's going to be training and things like that. But if somebody decides to leave and quit, that's not on you. That's on them. So still work your business like a business and work for you. You are in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. Remember that. So guys, I'm about to go over there and see what Elton is doing, y'all. But I highly encourage you guys to get started with TLC. You know what I mean? It's $50. You spend $50 on things you don't need every day anyway. But now is the time to really invest that $50 and push it, guys, because we don't know what's going to happen in the next few months. And you want to be able to make sure you can make money to sustain your lifestyle, your family. Who knows if your job may be in jeopardy because of this coronavirus and everybody's scared of shutting down shit. You need to still be able to make some money, and TLC is the way to help you make money from home, y'all. And it's so easy. This is the easiest money I ever made, y'all, like really. So I want to help you guys make money. I don't care if it's $50 a week, $100 a week, $200 a week. I want to show you how you can make that money, y'all. Just simply say yes, invest your $50, get your starter kit, get you a product. You can just get your starter kit and get a bottle of NutriBurst. Start it out like that. But if you really serious and you want to do the whole shebang, get your starter kit, get your NutriBurst, get your CBD, get your NRG, whatever the case is, but get started and say yes. So I see you guys. It was a nice thumbnail. So get started and say yes, guys, and I will see you guys on the other side. Stay safe, wash your hands. Don't be around people coughing and touching, just, you know what I mean? Don't be scared, but don't be stupid either. Be aware and be cautious of your surroundings, okay? Bye.